Hello guys, hello from Kyiv, the capital of invincible country of Ukraine. Today is June 3rd, 2026, and I invite you to walk with me to the map. Just moment, just one moment. Today I wanna invite you to walk with me to the famous monument to Mother Ukraine, and I start my tour from river of Dnipro, the greatest river of Ukraine. Now I am at the metro station Dnipro, so please stay tuned, and you will learn how to reach this monument, very famous monument. And here is Dnipro river, and in fact there are two big rivers here in Kyiv: Dnipro itself and Chertory. It is behind that island. So thank you for walking with me to get to the Mother Ukraine monument. You need to get out at Arsenalna metro station. It is the deepest station in the world. I don't know. Anyway, I know that it was the deepest station in the world, and everyone knows, or maybe nearly everyone knows, the football team Arsenal, so it's easy to remember the name of the station. By the way, this metro station and other stations used as a bomb shelter during air attacks. Its depth is 105.5 meters. Metro station Arsenalna has two legs because it is too deep for one leg. This is exit from metro station Arsenalna. Today is a walking day, and that's why there are not much passengers now. But in a couple hours there will be a lot of passengers here. It's going to be rain soon, I think so. No, it started already. I feel my bald spot feels some drops of the rain, but I think everything will be okay, and thank you for joining my video. By the way, if you don't want to walk, you can take trolley bus, just cross the road, and bus station is over there, just across the road. By the way, if you want to go to toilet, it is very cheap. By the way, after yesterday Russian massive air attack, some buildings are still without electricity. This is Ivan Mazepa Street. On left is a building of Arsenal factory that was founded in the middle of 18th century. Now it doesn't work. Here is Hotel Salute. It is an eloquent example of Soviet brutalism style. On our way to motherland Ukraine, we need to cross the square using underpass. Now we are entrance to Park of Eternal Glory of Ukraine in Second World War. And please pay attention that for Soviet historiography, the war started in 1941, but when Russia invaded to Ukraine, these two digits were replaced from 1941 to 1939. This is date of the war ending. This is the alley of the heroes, those who gave life for independence of Soviet Union during Second World War. And here is eternal flame. It's still burning. And this is a beautiful observation deck overlooking to Dnipro, and second stage of museum of the famine, Golodomor. Today is quite rainy weather. It's entrance to Holodomor museum on our way to the statue of Mother Ukraine. It is quite rainy today. In front of me is not a simple hill. It is part of fortifications of Kyiv fortress. By the way, if you wanna go to toilet on your way to our destination, this is a free toilet. This is entrance to Kyiv Pechersk Lavra, the oldest in Ukraine and obviously in Kyiv monastic complex. I highly recommend you to visit it, but it's very big and it takes maybe several hours. This is entrance to Kyiv Pechersk Lavra, the oldest in Ukraine and obviously in Kyiv monastic complex. I highly recommend you to visit it, but it's very big and it takes maybe several hours. This is also one of entrances to Kyiv Pechersk Lavra, with the underground cemetery in caves. And here you can see pilgrims. They are addicts of Russian Moscow Church, branch of KGB or FSB. In front of me is a monument commemorating fallen Soviet soldiers in Afghanistan. It is quite agreeable monument, but it is what it is. Waiting for you after the victory, but guys, I'm waiting for you now. And on our way to the Museum of Ukraine in Second World War, there is a small open exhibition of military vehicles. In front of us is the tallest flag of Ukraine, the tallest flag in Kyiv and obviously in Ukraine. Its height is 90 meters. This is a small exhibition of Russian military equipment destroyed by Ukrainian military forces during this crazy, unfounded war. Part of helicopter, part of a missile, Soviet tanks. We're approaching to another exhibition of military vehicles, planes, missiles of Soviet times. Guys, if you like this topic, maybe next time I will take video from this exhibition because of entrances for money. The statue was erected in 1980. First, it was official opening of this monument. Its height is 102 meters, and sword. Well, let's. I'll show you how long the sword is. So, from this place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here, from my place to the corner, it is length of the sword. Thank you guys for walking with me from metro station Dnipro in Kyiv, Arsenalna metro station, to the Mother Ukraine monument and Museum of Second World War. And if you have opportunity, please support my channel. You know what to do. I registered on donation platform Donatello, and even small money will help essentially for family of refugees. I'm a refugee from Donetsk, from eastern part of Ukraine, and thank you for your subscription to my channel. See you next time.